everybody from Waikiki, Hawaii. This is 7147 of Verandah on the Celebrity Solstice. So we have this nice loungers and tables out here in the balcony. There's a desk, it's missing a chair, so when you talk to someone. We have a nice sofa bed here, and there's the bed. We have a little mini bar with limited selection, storage area here, and then a keyboard. I think this is because it uses like a Mac on the TV. You can surf the internet if you want to. These cost money. There's a room service menu. Take a look at it. Let's see here. You can hang this up before for beverages. There's coffee, scrambled eggs. This is included, doesn't cost extra money, unlike some ships nowadays. Got some nice light up here. See if we can turn that on. Here we go. And that's a nice picture here. We got some storage up here. Nice light up here. Do these have USBs? Not these ones. That's fine. And then bed. Okay, there's some space down here. And then we have some storage here. Comes with 2 bathrobes. Safe is down here. Lots of room to move around, that's what I like. The washroom, bathroom. Here we go. The walk-in shower. Soap and the amenities are here. Shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And then there's room here to put stuff. Excellent. Oh, do they have liquid soap? So shampoo and conditioner, so they don't have liquid soap. Interesting. Alright, so this is 7147 on the Celebrity Solstice. And the muster grill is at deck 4, A6 station. Alright, thanks for watching everyone.